Chillin' with the crew, crypto tight like a dreadlock. Tokens on the rise, watch 'em flip like a hot wok. Midnight's here, time for Taco Tuesday clock. Taco Queens lead, making moves like a crop top. Oh, 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 it's Taco. Oh, 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 oh. Crypto confessions, tacos are obsessions. Skating through the blockchain, digital profession. Life is just a mix, known for regression. Crypto with the grin, that's our secret weapon. From the daily grind, we break the chains. Taco Tuesdays here, feel the gains. Crypto dreams, blockchain reigns. Taco Queens filling my bags with the crane. Oh, 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 it's Taco. Oh, 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 oh. Taco tokens glistening, hustle never missing. Mind laser focused, always on a mission. Dreams on the blockchain, defying gravity. Breaking free from grind, here's our reality. Oh, 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 it's Taco. Never compromise, peek through the disguise. Truth we crystallize, crypto fortified. We strategize, tokens rise, leave them hypnotized. Taco, oh, oh, it's Taco. Oh, 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 oh. Taco queens are savage, turn hustle to lavish. Pockets full of crypto, knowledge is the baggage. Blockchain is our canvas, dreams we gotta manage. Paint them with precision, vision never damaged. From the daily grind, we break the chains. Taco Tuesdays here, feel the gains. Crypto dreams, blockchain reigns. Taco Queens filling my bags with the crane. Confessions, tacos are obsessions. Skating through the blockchain, digital profession. Life is just a mix, known for regression. Crypto with the grin, that's our secret weapon.